This is Darshana Gauchan with your B2B Cambodia Market update for March 14, 2025. The Cambodia Securities Exchange Index was down 1.11 points or 0.27% to 412.28. Total trade volume was up with 40,216 shares changing hands at a total value of 270.49 million real or over $67,400. On the main board, 3 stocks were up. Leading the market was Royal Group Phnom Penh SEZ up 0.46% or 10 real to 2,190 real per share, followed by Phnom Penh Autonomous Port, which was up 0.43% or 60 real to 14,040 real per share. Pestec Cambodia was also up 10 real to 2,530 real per share. On the downside, the biggest loser of the day was Cam GSM, which dropped 0.41% or 10 real to 2,430 real per share, followed by Sihanoukville Autonomous Port, which was down 0.34% or 40 real to 11,860 real per share. Akleda Bank and Grand Twins International were also down. Over on the growth board, JS Land was down 0.33% or 10 real to 3,050 real per share, while DBD Engineering again stayed flat at 2,100 real per share. Once again, Akleda Bank recorded the highest trade volume of the day with 13,373 shares changing hands at a total value of 97.8 million real or over $24,000, which was 33% of Friday's trade volume. Cam GSM recorded the second highest trade volume of the day with 8,145 shares changing hands at a total value of 19.7 million real or close to $5,000, approximately 20% of March 14th's trade volume. Moving on to the exchange rate, the Khmer Real to USD was strengthened to 4,007 real per US dollar, while the US dollar index was slightly up to 103.98. Looking at global commodities, oil prices rebounded on Friday to recover some of their losses of more than 1% in the previous session, partly due to the diminishing prospects of a quick end to the Ukraine war that could bring back more Russian energy supplies. Brent crude futures rose 64 cents or 0.9% to $70.52 a barrel after settling 1.5% lower in the previous session. U.S. West Texas Intermediate crude was at $67.26 a barrel, up 71 cents or 1.1% after closing down 1.7% on Thursday. Safe Haven gold surged to a record high on Friday, trading close to the key $3,000 mark, propelled by ongoing trade war fears and expectations of a rate cut by the U.S. Federal Reserve. Spot gold was flat at $2,990.54 an ounce. Earlier in the session, Safe Haven bullion hit a record high of $2,993.80. U.S. gold futures rose 0.4% to $3,004.20. The bullion scaled 13 all-time highs so far this year and is on track for a second straight week of gains. S&P 500 futures rose early Friday following a losing session that dragged the benchmark into correction territory. As of the time of the Cambodian market's closing, futures tied to the broad index added 0.56%, while Nasdaq 100 futures advanced 0.79%. Dow Jones Industrial Average futures gained 147 points or 0.35%. This was Darshana Gauchan with your B2B Cambodia Market update for March 14th.